Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about estate planning document storage. Before we get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, estate planning document storage. This is pretty straightforward, but also pretty important. There are two sort of things that I see when it comes to storage. Thing number one is forgetting where you put your documents. I just was having a conversation with a new client today who made their documents in 1998 or 99 or something like that, so a long time ago. And they could not find a lot of their documents. A lot of the things that were important and necessary to continue moving forward with their plan. So we kind of had to start over and do some other things. So make sure that you put your documents someplace where you can find them. Also, make sure that you put your documents someplace where your people can find them. And I would also encourage you to tell your people, and what I mean by your people is like the people that are included inside of your documents, where your documents are. Because if they can't find them, they are useless. If you can't find them, they are useless, okay? For most of the documents that you have, copies will work. So, scanning your documents in and having electronic copies is certainly better than having nothing at all. Now, what you share with your people right now is up to you. You can share a little or a lot, but at least let them know where everything is in case something happens to you so that they can find your stuff. The second document storage problem that I run into from time to time is that the documents are secured too strongly. Safety deposit box, a safe where no one else knows the combination. These are also not good. If you have a safety deposit box and something happens to you, to get that safety deposit box open is going to take a court order. Those things are ultra secure. I've had to do it before. It takes a little bit of time. It's not fun. And banks don't like to open them under those circumstances. They are literally very secure. All right. So the other thing is people will have a safe, like some kind of fireproof safe, and they'll put their documents in their safe and then nobody else knows the combination. So then you have to go and find someone to open the safe, which is also not fun, also kind of expensive, also can take a little bit of time. And when some people also may not even know that you have a safe or where it is, also a problem. So when it comes to storing your documents, like I said, I would encourage you to keep them. What I tell my clients is keep them like in an office. Just keep them where you normally would keep them. The way we make our documents, there are no social security numbers. There's no bank account information. There's nothing compromising actually inside of the documents. They only do what they are supposed to do. So keeping them someplace like that is not really a security problem for you, and then let your people know where they are. The other thing that I would do, and I might make a separate video on this specifically at some point in time, for your electronic copies, if you keep a list of all your accounts and all that kind of stuff, if you have crypto and you have your password phrases, what I try to do, or what I suggest that people do, is create an account in a secure place like LastPass. Put all your stuff in there, and then you can set that up. You can designate people that can get access if you die or if you are incapacitated. And LastPass will verify that, and they will open up your LastPass account to that person that you've identified, and then they can have access to those things that they need to either take care of you or take care of your estate. So I would do one of those two things. Summary: don't put your documents someplace you can't find them, and don't put your documents someplace where nobody can get to them. All right, those are two things that I would really be cognizant of and aware of when you come to your documents. All right, that's it. As always, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you have questions or comments, please leave them. If you know somebody needs to hear this, please share it with them. And if you have questions or comments about anything related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, please do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. All right, that is it. As always, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon. See ya.